Hello and welcome back to another video from Affiliate Marketing Money. Today we're going to talk to you about how to make affiliate marketing simple. So stay tuned and let's get started. Affiliate marketing is very simple on its own. Affiliate marketing is the process of promoting a product and earning a commission whenever that product makes a sale. So basically you promote someone else's product, and every time that someone buys that product they pay you a commission because you were the bridge in between that person buying that product and that company. How does this happen? This happens through personalized links, right? So people will go and get a personalized link to their account and they will share this link. They will share this link in places with a lot of traffic, right? So you need to find a high traffic place with a specific interest, and once you have that specific interest and that a specific traffic place, that be social media, YouTube, Facebook, whatever it is, then you're gonna get a product that relates to that audience and you're gonna offer them that product. So affiliate marketing is finding products that people might want to buy and offering it to them in the places that people are hanging out around. That be Facebook pages and Instagram and social media, as I mentioned before. Now this might sound complicated, but it's actually very simple. First of all, signing up to affiliate marketplaces is free. You can sign up to affiliate places such as Shareasell. Shareasell is one of my favorites. It's a very good affiliate marketplace where you can find a lot of really good products and a lot of really good brands. Then you have other marketplaces such as Amazon Associates, where you can offer Amazon products. Now Amazon Associates is one of my favorites. Why? Because it has a lot of products that I've had, that I've bought, that I've used. So it's a place where you can offer pretty much anything and earn a commission when people buy it, even including books. So if you know people who like books and you know a group of people who like books, or like maybe some kind of group or something like that who like books, you can start offering books. If you're very much into books and you've read any of these books and you write a review and you share that review of that book and you convince someone to buy it, you could be making money on that book. That be if they buy a hard copy or in any other way. And the coolest part about it is that if they click on your link and buy the book, you make money. But if they click on the link and buy the book days later, you still make money. Most of these marketplaces have a time period from which if a person clicks the link and then buys the product, the person who provided that link still gets paid. So that if that person thought about it for a couple of days and went back and bought the product, you still make money on it. And the coolest part is that it's passive income. Passive income is when you don't have to actively be working and actively doing stuff in order to get paid, such as a regular job like being a waiter. Being a waiter only pays you while you're there. It doesn't pay you while you're not there, but a passive income will pay you regardless if you're working at that moment or not. And this is a very good opportunity for passive income because you post these links, and after you post these links, people will pay you by buying that product after visiting that link. That be 2 days after you posted it, 3 days after you posted it, a week after you posted it, and even if they buy it days. I think in Amazon Associates it's up to 10 days. Even if they buy it up to 10 days after they clicked on that link, you would still make money. Now make sure that you are selling products that you're interested in, products that you know about, products that you know you can sell, so that whatever you are offering is something related to something you're interested in, it so that it's easier for you to sell it. Because if you sell something you're passionate about, it's easier to sell than if you were selling something that you don't really like. So make sure you sign up to as many of the affiliate marketplaces as you can so that you have more options and more products in your catalog, and then start offering them in the different places you can, that being Facebook, that being Instagram, and any other type of social media, just like I mentioned. So to summarize everything in very easy steps, you first need to sign up to affiliate marketplaces. You need to find products you're passionate about. You need to find high traffic places online from which people can be interested in those products, and then you need to post your personalized link in those sites, in those groups, in those communities, so that those people can see it and buy your product. And when people buy your product, you're gonna make a commission, and that commission translates to money. So it's very simple, it's very easy. If you want to learn a little bit more, make sure to check out some of our earlier videos. If you want to learn even more than that, make sure to check out the Affiliates Club. The Affiliates Club is a private club where owners and course creators communicate with affiliate marketers in order to better everybody's strategy to sell, right? They want to get the products out there as much as they can and sell as much as they can, because it's beneficial for everybody. It's beneficial for the seller, it's beneficial for the marketer, and it's beneficial for the buyer, because the buyer is getting a product they wanted. So make sure to check out the Affiliates Club. Make sure to sign up for the free market masterclass with Andy Isom. He's made over $45,000 last year on affiliate marketing without investing anything. So make sure to check it out. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you like this video. If you liked it, it would also help us to give it a thumbs up. Maybe so write a comment down there letting us know if you made money in this way before, and if you think this will be helpful for you. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you later. Take care.